Today, I'm going to share with you 5 winning products that all have the potential to do 6 figures and beyond. What's poppin', people? It's your boy, the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. Product research can be long and tedious, or maybe you're just struggling with finding a product to test out. Don't worry, in this video, I've done all of the research for you. I'm going to give you the products, the suppliers, the potential profit margins that you can get, and also some interests and potential angles that you can test out. Since I've already done the work for you, if you could do just one small thing for me and make sure you drop a like on this video, it helps out the channel and gives the algorithm some love. And second of all, if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure of course you subscribe with the notification bell on so that you stay up to date with all of my latest content. So this is the first product, and it's BBL shorts. So what they essentially do is they allow girls to get the Brazilian butt lift look without the invasive treatment or expensive treatment of getting an actual surgery done to, you know, their hips or waist or backside, whatever it may be, right? And you can see here in this creative, you can see they go from the IKEA flat pack look to the shapely Kim Kardashian hourglass looking shape in a matter of seconds by just sticking on these shorts. They've got padding on the side, I believe, and that's how they work. It's a little bit catfishy, if that's even a word, but you know, these kind of things work because it's giving girls confidence and they don't have to have the pain or anything like that in terms of the surgery, and it's, you know, it's non-invasive and it happens almost instantly. So you can see with this creative here exactly how it works. Slips underneath the dress and they get the time hourglass look in a matter of seconds. Boom. You can see here this comment, top comment here, girl, I just ordered 3 pairs. So we know there is also buying intent with this product as well. And shapewear is absolutely massive in Kim Kardashian and influencers like this, especially with her Skims brand as well. People want this kind of look, and anything which helps them achieve this in, you know, almost instantly is going to be a big hit. So I found 3 stores selling this exact same product, okay, and you can see here they're selling it for $55, which is quite expensive actually. And this one's here selling it for $55 as well. So we know that could be a benchmark because these other guys are selling it for this as well. And again, this one's probably around about conversion wise $45 as well. Now none of these stores are like amazing at all. They're very basic. This one's probably extremely basic. This one's probably the best, but nothing that, you know, you guys can't go ahead and improve upon, you know, a little bit more information on here as well. You know, I don't even think this one has reviews. This one don't even have reviews on it. It just has these ones here as well. So definitely something that you guys can improve upon. Heading to AliExpress, we can see that we can get this product for around about $16.72. And this is a very good supply. You can see that they're our top brand and they've had close to 2,000 orders from all of these products, right? Now, talking about the actual numbers, so if we can get this product for around about $16.72, and if we can sell this product for around about the benchmark, because we've seen 2 stores already selling it at this price for $55, that's going to leave us with a break-even ROAS of 1.51 and profit of around about $36 for this actual product. Now for targeting and interest for this actual product, you can sell this product on Facebook and on TikTok. Because it's such a broad related product, you could go broad and just select women of a certain age group and run your creatives, multiple creatives to that age group. If you wanted to go with interests, then some interests you could use could be dresses, women's clothing, and also women's brands such as Zara, H&M, and those kind of high street stores. So onto the second winning product, and I'm just going to play the creative. So what the product actually does, it's a weird looking product, but what it does is it's like a neck slimmer and microcurrent. So it's supposed to apply like microcurrents into the neck and helps tighten it up. So when women get a little bit older, their neck starts to sag, and this product here helps tighten up the neck so that it looks much more youthful. Problem solving beauty products like this can make a shed ton of money if you can first and foremost get them approved with great creatives, and second of all, if you have a great high converting funnel. Looking at their website, you can see that they're selling this product for $79, which is, you know, $80, let's call it that. And having a look at the actual website, it's not amazing, but essentially it explains exactly what the product does. It shows you before and afters. It educates the customers of how the technology behind the actual product itself works because naturally people who land on this product page and look into this are going to be very skeptical of how the product actually works and how is it going to slim their neck. One thing they are also doing, which is going to increase the conversion value of this product, is offering a free anti-aging serum 2-pack, which is worth $40, that they're going to get if they actually add this product to their cart for today. Onto AliExpress, you can see that we can get this product for close to $16, which is extremely cheap for what you can potentially sell this product for. So there's a very high margin on this product. So you don't have to sell a lot, and your cost per acquisition can be a little bit higher because there's so much margin in this actual product. You can see here how much exactly we can get it for, and this is a top brand supplier as well. You can see that they're marked here with this little sign here. Looking at the actual numbers, you can see that we can get this for $16.63, and these guys are selling it for $80. So that's going to give us a absolute massive profit margin of $60 for this product, and a very low break-even ROAS of 1.32. So like I've mentioned, there's a massive margin in this actual product, and you don't have to sell it for this amount. If you wanted to undercut them just to get those sales in and then bump up the price, that's another strategy that you could do to get the ball rolling and get some sales coming in. Selling a product like this, I would probably go with Pinterest platform first, natively, because these guys are getting results on Pinterest, and also Pinterest policies are a hell of a lot more relaxed with the terms of the creatives that you can get away with rather than Facebook and TikTok. Now, if you are going to go down the route of Facebook and TikTok, you are not going to be able to get away with those before and afters in the creative. Now, in terms of targeting for this product, I would go with, obviously, of course, women predominantly with the ages of 35 all the way up to 65, because they're the ones who are going to generally start to see the first signs of aging, and that's where you can creep in with your creative with the solution. Onto the third winning product, and you can see here this product here is a eyelash separator. Now, I didn't actually know this, but when I was doing the research for this actual product, essentially what women do, this is something completely new to me, is that when they actually put on their mascara, what they sometimes do is they grab like a pin or something really small and separate out their eyelashes to get off all of the excess clumps, so they're not clumpy. However, this product itself just literally does it all in one go. So essentially it also solves a problem of getting beautiful looking lashes without any of the clumps. Heading on to TikTok, we can see that if we type the name of the product into TikTok, we can see that there are tons of videos as well of this actual product, which also some of the videos are getting some great engagement as well, which is another good sign. This one's got 3.7 million views on it. This one has 6.4 million views on it as well. And if I just scroll down, there was a video of, so essentially this is what girls usually do. So this is what they do. They grab a pin and they separate their eyelashes out like this using a pin and taking off all of the clumps. So this product itself solves this issue of having to do this individually, so it saves time, and it's probably also a hell of a lot more safer than digging out your eyes with a pin. Looking at the store, this is an actual brand. It's not really their main product, I don't think, because they haven't really put that much effort into the actual product page itself, but it's very low ticket product, and also it's got tons of reviews, positive reviews as well, which is another good sign that the product works and is needed. If we head to AliExpress, you can see that we can get this exact product for around about $5. So if we do the numbers and run the numbers and see what profits we could potentially make, we can get this for $5. We could sell it for around about $19 if we have a very good looking website, and also we could use things such as bundles and also upsells to encourage people to purchase more. We'll be looking at around about a net profit of around about $14. That is a little bit low, but remember that if you are selling a lower ticket product, then your conversion rate would naturally be a hell of a lot higher. This product would work on Facebook and TikTok, but if I had to choose to test to start out with, I would go down the route of TikTok, naturally because the CPMs are going to be a lot cheaper than what they would be on Facebook. Again, with a product like this, you would probably want to go completely broad, but if you did want to go down the route of interest, then I would be looking at the self-explanatory ones such as beauty and cosmetics and those kind of things. On to the fourth winning product, and this is a garden related product. And what it is it basically allows people to plant seeds a hell of a lot easier. They don't have to dig holes. They literally just plug this in the ground, click the button, and they can just remove a ton of dirt, add in the bulb or seeds, and then put the dirt back in the ground. If we have a look at some of these comments as well, you can see that people are saying they've got one, it's really great, I would love to buy one, which again shows buying interest. And we can see down here as well, we can see that someone actually used a product like this and they had no issue using it with over 400 planted bulbs as well. So it's another good sign that the product is of quality and there's buying intent there as well. So looking at the actual product page, they are selling it for quite a low price. I would probably sell this for 24 or 30-ish dollars so that you have more margin. Another thing that they're obviously doing as well, which is good, and I would suggest you do this, is using your variants like this to increase your average order value and doing bundles and stuff like this. But the product page itself isn't absolutely amazing, something that you guys can definitely improve upon 100%. Now, time to run the numbers. If we have a look on AliExpress, you can see that we can get this for just under $10, right? And if we head over to our calculator here, and by the way guys, if you want a copy of this calculator, what I will do is I will leave a link for it down below so that you guys can use this for yourself. So you can see here we can get this for $10. I would probably sell it for around about $30 as well, which is going to give us a profit margin of just under $20. And you can see we've got a break-even ROAS there of 1.56. We are finally on the fifth and final winning product. So this product here is a baby product, right? And I'll show you the creative here and talk through it. So essentially what it is it's a baby sleep swing, and it allows babies to sleep in their cot a little bit more comfortable than just putting them on the usual bed mattress. It looks like it has some user generated content in here of babies and mothers talking about the actual product, as you can see here, which is very, very powerful. One thing I will say is about these actual products, although it was actually launched in January, you can see that they are still running ads to this day to this actual product. And one thing I will say about this product is products like this to mothers and babies never really get saturated. The reason why they never get saturated is because women and parents are always having new babies. You know, every year there's how many new babies being born, which means that products like this are always going to be shown to a new audience. Audiences are always going to be updating themselves as women and parents and those kind of things have new babies. If we have a look at the ad copy for this actual advert, you can break it down and see why it can be so effective. So first and foremost, they are appealing to mothers and calling them out straight away. Most mothers of newborn babies are sleep deprived and risk of postpartum depression and insomnia. So if you are a new mother and you read that, naturally it calls them out. And one thing you want to be doing nowadays, especially in your Facebook adverts, is using the creative and ad copy to call out the target avatar who you are appealing to. And obviously then underneath that, they've got a next sentence, which essentially just says, here is the solution. You know, our number 8 sleep swing, blah, 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 is the most effective solution, etc., etc. Then it goes into, of course, some benefits of the actual product itself, approved by mothers worldwide. And then of course, they've got some actually scarcity inside of there as well, in terms of free shipping today, and also some bonuses of terms of it's being a winter sale, etc., which is not winter now, but they were running this in January. And then of course they've got the call to action there as well. Onto the product page, you can see that these guys are selling it for £27, which is, if I hover over, $35, and that's for a single one. Again, these guys are doing something similar to the previous store as well, which I always recommend, is using your variants to try and increase your average order value. So if people purchase more, then they get a better value pack. If they purchase a mixed pack, then again, it's just trying to get people to purchase more from every single session. And again, they're using gifts on here. They've got some explanatory gifts. They've also got some bullet points on here as well. And no doubt they've got so they've got reviews, no doubt they've got the reviews on here, and they also have a very powerful testimonial user generated content video on here as well, which is going to do a lot of the heavy lifting and selling of the product, because mothers essentially are going to buy from other mothers if the other mother is having a positive experience with the product that they are looking to purchase. Finally, to run the numbers on this product, you can see that we can get it for $10.38, okay? And if we sell it for $30, okay, by undercutting that person there, we can get a break-even ROAS of around about 1.63 and a profit margin of $18. But again, if we change this to $35, then those numbers look a lot more healthier. This is the type of product that I would sell on Facebook, and I've made thousands of dollars selling baby products on Facebook to mothers. I just find it's a very easy sell because they are a very passionate audience about their kids and their families. Now, in terms of interests, I'll be looking at parents, parenting, baby clothes, baby food, baby shower, and those kind of interests, and also pregnancy to start out with. So hopefully you got some value from this video and now have some products that you can potentially go out and test. Make sure you drop a like on this video, and if this video gets 500 likes, I'll put a link, a PDF link for all of these links to everything so that they're easily accessible in the comments down below. If you want to learn more from me personally, then check out my Ecom Beast 2.0 course and private mastermind. The links for that will be down below. And if you come from YouTube and use the code YouTube100, then you'll get $100 off the price. If you enjoy freebies, then make sure you go and grab a copy of my 100% free drop shipping ebook. Again, the link for that will be down below. 100% free, just go and grab yourself a copy. Finally, hit me up on Instagram and Twitter and we can try and connect on there. I drop free value on those platforms as well. But that is it for this video. Take care and I will see you in the next one.